This is our fourth tutorial on CRTC's IOIO Security System. In this tutorial, we are going to add a radio button that will let us know when we are connected. So go to your layout, main XML. Currently, this is what it looks like. Let me magnify it so we can see things a little bit better. This button right here is actually our text button. Send the text. Let's change that. Text. Text. Okay. Right now we're using this toggle button as an indicator of whether or not we are connected to our yo-yo board. We're going to get rid of that, and in its place we will have a radio button. And this will tell us if we are connected. So we're going to change the text to connected. And we want to make sure that this is not clickable. So scroll down to all of these multiple options on this button and go down to view and keep scrolling down to clickable. And for some reason it jumps up whenever I click on that. Back down to view, clickable. True. There. So now that is not clickable, it is only going to be an output indicator. And now that we've made it, let's save and go back to our Java and add a variable so we can access that. Copy and paste the line above it. This is a radio button, and the name of that button, let's go back over here, we didn't change its name, and we're going to change its name. Actually, click on the three little dots to RB connected and save it again. Okay, back over to our .java file. So we have a radio button, and the variable access that will be whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it RB connected underscore. A red line under radio button because we have not imported that widget yet. Importing it. Good. Now that we have the variable and we have the XML version, we need to link the two. So right in here. Nope. Didn't have that one copied. RB connected underscore, whatever you name your variable, equals radio button find view by ID r.id dot, and there it is, since we saved radio button connected, and with a semicolon. Okay, no errors on this one. That is excellent. And now in this code, there is already a place that lets you know when you're connected and not connected. That's down here at the very bottom in this function called enable UI. And this takes your button and it enables it or disables it. Instead of doing that to our button, we are going to have our radio button be clicked, be highlighted, or not be. Have a little green dot in it or no green dot in it. So back to our radio button connected. Is that what we called it? Dot. Okay. It's RB connected dot, and it will be set checked. Now we can check that with a true or a false. On the top one, it is true for your semicolon, and the bottom one will be false. Okay, you can get rid of some of this other stuff. We're not even going to have that button, so you can get rid of this code. It's for multiple yo-yos, and for that button, just get rid of this excess code. Let's save it for later. Okay. And let's run it and just see if everything is correct. Nope, we have an error. Let's go check this error out. Okay. Okay, in this error, we've already added permission, but in our manifest, if you switch over to the XML version of it, you must change this 3 to a 4, a different version. Then we'll try to run it and see if that one works. And it looks like it did. Excellent. And now you have an app that should indicate whether or not you are connected to the yo-yo board.